What's up guys, today's video is on the best fire extinguisher for welding. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Kidde Pro Fire Extinguisher. This extinguisher can be quite simple to use and is able to be used by anyone who wants to put out the danger of fire that could threaten the life of a person or their property. The directions printed on the outside of the device are simple to follow and read. It is possible to teach children within the family to utilize it without a lot of amount of effort. The extinguisher is built from light materials, which contribute to the ease of operation and comfort that this extinguisher provides. Even children of all ages can use it without having to push it around, increasing the security factor. All in all, this is the goal, making sure your family is safe while not pouring too much effort into it. With a very strong discharge, this gadget offers a wider distance of release, ranging from 10 to 15 feet. Number 2. First Alert Fire Extinguisher. The fire extinguisher of First Alert is easy to use by anyone who is old enough to be able to hold it for a long time. It comes with clear directions provided that are simple to follow when pushing is required. The training curve for using the extinguisher does not have to be long, so even kids can be taught how to utilize it. With a simple-to-use lever and valve, it'll be simple for people with weaker abilities to utilize in the event of an emergency. Both the trigger as well as valves are constructed of high-quality materials that guarantee durability and outlast other kinds of valves. This means that the trigger and the valve are ready at any time you require it. The cylinder is made with high-quality steel, which makes it strong and durable. It can also be refilled, which means you can refill it once it's been empty and then fill it with the extinguishing agents. Number 3. Kidde FA110 Multipurpose. These fire extinguishers are manufactured out of premium steel and ensure your safety as well as peace of mind over a lengthy period of. The top component, which comprises the handle, along with the valve and nozzle, is made of high-impact, robust plastic. This design will enhance the life expectancy of the device and will provide many years of comfort and security. The cylinder is sturdy, robust, and constructed to withstand any kind of hard handling. It's small. It can therefore be used by anyone to remove fires from their homes without fatigue. Its lightweight can be used by small children and those with weaker bodies to protect their homes. Also, it comes with a lengthy warranty that backs the high standard of these extinguishers by Kidde. Number 4. Amerex B500 Fire Extinguisher. B500 Fire Extinguishers. B500 Fire Extinguishers have an all-metal construction that makes them very durable for years of outstanding service. The valve is made of top-quality aluminum, makes them reliable, durable, and user-friendly. That means it will never be able to fail you when you have to make use of it in the event of an emergency. It also comes with an extended discharge time that will give you the time needed to put out the fire completely. This makes this fire extinguisher an extremely trustworthy and safe tool to keep in your home in case of emergencies. It also has a safe working distance with large range and durable discharge options to protect you from heat. For easy positioning at a place that is easy to access, you will receive mounting brackets when you purchase it. Number 5. First Alert S Fire Spray. These cans of fire extinguisher aerosol are very easy to use even for smaller and weak individuals. It's light and comes with detailed guidelines on how you can put out the flame. The instructions are simple to follow, and you don't need to read to be able to properly extinguish a flame. It's available in 2 packs in case one starts to leak after a certain period. It is possible that this will happen due to the fact that it can begin to leak after a long period of time without being used. It may not function at the time you need it. This is why it's ideal to have more than one in the event that one begins to leak. The product comes with a guarantee for 3 years. However, it is believed that they could leak following the limited warranty of 3 years is a great option if they do leak during that time, and you'll have security. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.